Yes, Mangal Maitri students, you know very well square and square root is going on in our chapter. We have done 6.3 exercise and I hope which I gave you the PDF file and you have completed your questions, you know. So we are going to start the exercise 6.4 today, right? अब the question is that कि how will you get the square root? उसका पैटर्न क्या है, उसका मेथड क्या है, वही मैं आज आपको पहले स्टार्टिंग के 5 क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूँ. उसी से रिलेटेड जो और क्वेश्चन है वो मैं आपको पीडीएफ फाइल में दे रहा हूँ. तो आप पहले अगर ये शुरू के 4-5 क्वेश्चन का मेथड सीख जाएंगे देन वुड बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव 23408. सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट दिस वन? I want to tell you that how can you solve that? 2304. The first question we have and make a pair. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी बताया था कि इसमें पेयर बनाने पड़ते हैं और we need to take the equal numbers. अब जैसे यहाँ पर पेयर बना तो 23, तो आपको प्रॉपर मल्टीप्लिकेशन नंबर लेना है. जैसे 3 3 जा 9, 4 4 जा 16, 5 5 जा 25. 5 5 जा 25 is more than 23, so we can take that 4 4 ja 16, right? So that what are you getting that after that 13 minus 6 is what? 6, and we are getting 6 only and 0 4. We can take the double number is here 8. हमेशा जो आपका ऊपर आया उसका डबल लेंगे. अब आपने ये सोचना है कि which number is suitable to make this one, and I know 8 is multiple. 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja that is the double of this number. So what can we do that? 13 minus 6 is what? We are getting that there is a little bit mistake we have. There's 704. So 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 64 and 6 70. So we are getting the answer is 48. So 2304 answer becomes 48. The square root of 2304 is 48. If we are talking about 4489, अगर particular इसका हमें square root निकालना है, so obviously the making a pair of the two numbers, the 44. So we can take that 6 6 ja 36, I think, because 7 7 ja 49 is more than 44. So I think 6 6 ja 36. We can take that 36 is here. So 8 8 and 9. 6 double is 12. So we can take that 7. So 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14, 4 8, 18, 7 ja 7 8. So we are getting what? So the square root of 4489 would be the answer is 67. I hope you understand. So making a pair and you can get the answer. This is the easy method and we can get it, but you will have to make the pair. Third one we have 3481. We can say that make the pair. यहाँ पर आपके पास 2 2 के पेयर ही आ रहे हैं. That would be very easy. So it can be possible. We can do it. So like 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. So 5 5 ja 25 because 6 6 ja 36 is more than 34. So we can take that 5 5 ja 25, 981 we are having remaining. So 5 double is 10 and we can take that 9 9 ja 81, 9 1 ja 9. So we are getting the answer is that 3481 would be the 59 is the answer. Simple. I hope you understand. The next pattern we have the 529 number. We have the single digit. So we can take that 2 2 ja 4 because 3 3 ja 9 is more than 5. So we are getting 1 2 9. 2 double is 4. So which number is suitable for it? So obviously I can try 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So what we are getting? The answer becomes of 529 square root is 529 would be the 23. We are getting the answer is 23. Finally the question number 5, 3249. What can we do that? That is the making the pair. So I think 5 5 ja 25 is the suitable because 6 6 ja 36 is more than 32. So when you take that we are getting 749. 5 double is 25. So obviously I can take 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 5 ja 35. 35 I think 35 particular because 7 7 ja 49. So particular 7 7 ja 49. 7 5 ja 35. So what we are getting this one? 5 double is because the mistake is there 1 0. 7 7 ja 49, 7 ja 7. So I am getting what the answer is that 3249 is that 57. So we have done all these options that So these 5 questions you note down, and I hope you understand the square root method. Thank you.